Ready to clean up and organize your cloud storage? In this tutorial, I'll walk you through, step by step, how to delete photos from your OneDrive account using the website. By the end, you'll know exactly how to remove unwanted images, and just as importantly, how to make sure they're fully gone if you want a fresh start or more free space. Let's jump right in. First things first, you'll need to sign into your Microsoft account at OneDrive.com. Take a moment, grab your login details. So many of us have more than one Microsoft account these days. Make sure you're logging into the correct one, especially if you use OneDrive for both work and personal files. Once you're in, you'll see the main OneDrive interface. Now, if your goal is specifically to delete photos, look over at the left-hand side of your screen. There's a sidebar with several options. Click on Photos if you want to view just your pictures grouped together, which can make things less overwhelming if your OneDrive is packed with different kinds of files. If your photos are mixed in with documents and other things, you can also navigate through My Files to find exactly what you need. Sometimes your photos might be tucked away in folders like Camera Roll or specific albums you've created, so don't worry if you have to do a little digging. When you spot a photo you're ready to delete, hover your mouse over it, and you'll see a small circle appear at the top corner of the image. Click this circle to select the photo. If you want to tidy up and remove several photos at once, here's a helpful trick. Click the first photo you want to select, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard, and then click the last photo in your range. Just like selecting a stretch of emails in your inbox, this will highlight everything in between, saving you tons of time clicking one by one. With your photos selected, look for the delete icon. It usually looks like a little trash can up near the top of the page. Click that and you'll get a prompt asking if you want to move these items to the recycle bin. Alternatively, if you don't spot the trash icon, you can click the three dots labeled More Options and select Delete from the menu. Either way works, so go with whatever you see first. This step only moves your photos to the recycle bin, so don't worry, you haven't lost them forever yet. Think of this like tossing something in the trash at home. It's out of sight, but still retrievable until you take out the garbage. Now, maybe you just wanted to get those photos out of your main storage, but if you want to permanently delete them and truly free up your OneDrive space, you'll need one last step. On the left sidebar, find and click your recycle bin. You'll see all your recently deleted items here. Just like before, select the photos you want to erase forever by clicking the circles and then hit delete. If you're ready to clear everything in the recycle bin, there's an option to empty recycle bin right at the top. Keep in mind, once you do this, those photos are gone for good, so double check you aren't removing something you'll want later. And that's it, you're done. You've learned to delete photos from OneDrive step by step, and you even know how to ensure they're permanently gone if that's your goal. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below if you have any questions or tips to share with others. Don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward guides like this one. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.